Alright y'all, so now we're going to drop our oil in the pan. Our pan's nice and warm. Whenever we're dropping something in the saute pan, we want to make sure that it's nice and hot. Saute actually means to jump. So we want to see a little bit of that shimmer in there on that oil. You can see right now it's moving around nice and good. We're going to do the same with that New York strip. We're going to press it down in there, make sure we get a good sear. We want to let them sit here and rest for at least about 5 to 10 minutes. That residual heat from the outside will also continue cooking, and it will give it time for them juices to kind of redistribute, so when we bite into it, every bite we get is super flavorful. There was one other thing I forgot to mention earlier, but make sure whenever you're cooking steaks, if you can help it, try to let your steak sit out at room temp for 30 minutes or to an hour so that it loses a little bit of that chill from sitting in the fridge. We're actually going to wait a minute on putting that filet in there because see how thin it is, and it's a lot leaner, so it's not going to cook as quickly as our ribeye and our New York strip. Now we're going to add the filet. These are ready to flip. You see that nice good crust, that sear on there? That's exactly what we want. That caramelization is all that flavor. So I'm going to press it down again. Make sure we get a good nice sear on the other side. And the same thing with this New York strip. Look at that beautiful caramelization there. And always make sure you lay the steak away from you, because that splatter will come back on you. It does not feel good, I promise you. So we'll let that go for probably about 4 minutes on that. We're going to let this tenderloin go for maybe about 2 minutes per side, and we'll pull them off and we'll be ready to slice, taste, and enjoy. Alright y'all, so since we've got our steaks patted dry, we're going to use a little bit of our grass-fed grill sauce. This is our proprietary blend. Grass-fed beef goes really well with these kind of like warm, smoky flavors. Now of course these steaks are great with just salt and pepper, but we think this is something a little unique to us and adds a little bit of extra flavor. So this is what I love to use in the restaurant, I love to use it at the house, and that's what we're going to season our steaks with today. So you can either order this online or you can stop by the general store, because when you go to put it on the grill, you'll get a much better even cook on it when it's at room temperature. If you pull it from the fridge and you throw it right on that grill, the inside can still be cold and underdone while the outside is, you know, charred and overdone. So it's really important to make sure you got that steak at a room temp before you throw it on the grill. Grab an aged steak, take it back to the cabin, throw it on the grill for you. The more you cook it, the tougher it will be. So grass-fed steak is best at rare to medium rare. So that's really what we're going for with these steaks today.